Tight on space, but don't want to compromise on function? These affordable Amazon finds are packed with smart solutions to help you organize, declutter, and make every inch of your home and kitchen count. From foldable fixes to hidden storage helpers, they're easy on your wallet and your space. All product links are in the description below. Tiny counter space? No problem. This telescopic oversing organizer adjusts to fit your sink and instantly gives you a neat little station for sponges, scrubbers, and even your kitchen towel. It drains directly into the sink, keeping your countertop dry, and doubles as a mini colander too. Lightweight but sturdy, it's an easy fix for cluttered sinks, especially when every inch of space counts. Running out of cling film or digging through drawers? This wall-mounted plastic wrap storage box keeps things tidy and right where you need them. It holds 50 ready-to-use fresh keeping sheets, and the transparent apple-shaped design adds a fun pop of color to your kitchen. No drilling needed, just peel, stick, and store. It's compact, easy to refill, and helps you grab and seal without the usual mess. Washing fruit shouldn't leave your counter soaked. This 2-in-1 drain basket lets you rinse, strain, and store, all in one neat container. The built-in strainer drains water quickly, while the lid locks in freshness, whether you're tossing it in the fridge or packing it for a picnic. It's made from sturdy, food-safe plastic, and even has a hidden handle for mess-free pouring. Compact, smart, and ready for everyday use. Say goodbye to tangled wrap and jagged edges. This magnetic plastic wrap dispenser cuts clean every time with a simple slide. No more fighting with boxes or worrying about sharp blades. It sticks right to your fridge for easy access and works with plastic wrap, foil, or parchment. You even get a roll included to get started. It's compact, sturdy, and makes kitchen prep way smoother and safer. Snack time just got way more fun. These clever little cookie holders clip right onto your cup, keeping your favorite treats within reach while you sip. Each one fits up to 10 cookies, perfect for dunking into milk, coffee, or tea without any mess. They're lightweight, reusable, and easy to clean. Whether you're snacking solo or hosting friends, these make your sweet moments even sweeter. Junk drawers, meet your match. This 3-tier collapsible organizer expands to fit your space and shrinks down when you need room. Each tray comes with adjustable dividers, so you can sort everything from jewelry and makeup to office supplies and gadgets your own way. It's sturdy, stackable, and keeps things from sliding into chaos. No tools, no stress, just tidy drawers that finally make sense. Slicing peppers shouldn't feel like surgery. This clever 2-in-1 corer makes it fast and easy to prep bell peppers, fruits, and more without the mess. Just twist, pull, and the seeds and stems are out in seconds. Its sharp edges glide smoothly through tough skins, saving you time and hassle. Whether you're stuffing, sautéing, or snacking, this tool makes prep work feel like a breeze. Makeup brushes shouldn't be a pain to clean, and now they're not. This 3-in-1 electric cleaner scrubs, spins, and dries your brushes with the push of a button. Just pop in your tools, and it deep cleans every bristle in minutes. No more endless rinsing or sore hands. It's compact, USB powered, and perfect for beauty lovers who want flawless results without the mess. Clean brushes, happy skin. Pots and pans taking over your kitchen? This double-sided organizer gives them all a proper home. With 5 adjustable layers and sturdy carbon steel construction, it holds everything from heavy cast iron to delicate ceramic without tipping or scratching. Each layer supports serious weight, and the rotating base keeps it steady, even on uneven surfaces. It's quick to set up, easy to clean, and clears your cabinet chaos in minutes. A couch that naps with you? Now we're talking. This extra long sleeper chair stretches out to 84 inches, so even tall folks can kick back without curling up. It transforms from a comfy chair into a recliner, lounge, or bed, all in one smooth motion. The adjustable backrest has 6 angles, and the side pockets hold your essentials. Built tough, soft to sit on, and perfect for small spaces that demand big flexibility. Running out of eggs when you're mid-recipe? Not anymore! This double-layer egg drawer holds up to 32 eggs and makes it super easy to see exactly how many you've got left. Each egg gets its own groove, so there's no rolling, bumping, or cracking. There's even a built-in time scale so you can keep track of freshness. Stack it, slide it, and keep your fridge neat without wasting space. No more wrestling with stubborn shells. This heavy-duty nutcracker takes on walnuts, pecans, almonds, and even seafood like crab or lobster claws, all with barely any effort from you. Its curved barrel shape grips the shell just right, while the angled handle gives you cracking power with just one hand. The non-slip grip keeps things steady. Quick, clean, and no more flying shell bits. Tired of cracking eggs the messy way? This clever little tool pops the shell open in seconds. No dripping, no jagged edges, and no more fishing out broken bits. Whether you're working with raw eggs or boiled ones, just press down and boom, clean cut every time. It's lightweight, easy to clean, and a total win for baking days or busy breakfasts. This 5-tier rotating storage rack is your kitchen's new MVP. With smooth rolling wheels and swivel baskets, it gives you instant access to fruits, veggies, or whatever you stash inside, without the dig and dump chaos. The metal mesh keeps everything fresh, while the high basket walls prevent spills. It's sturdy, stylish, and surprisingly versatile. From potatoes to pantry goods, this cart keeps your space organized and on the move. Tired of pot lids cluttering your counter or crashing around in drawers? This wall-mounted lid holder gives them a proper home. No drilling required. Just use the suction cups to stick it wherever you need, and you're done. The U-shaped slot holds lids securely, with anti-slip features to keep things steady. It's compact, sturdy, and a total game changer for small kitchens. Clean, simple, and super convenient. Opening wine should feel smooth and effortless, and this electric opener makes sure it is. Just place it on the bottle, press a button, and watch the cork pop out in seconds. It's rechargeable, sleek, and can handle up to 30 bottles per charge. The built-in foil cutter makes prep even easier. Whether it's a quiet dinner or a lively celebration, this gadget sets the mood with zero struggle. Snacking just got a serious upgrade. This divided tray keeps all your favorite treats, like fruits, nuts, candies, or charcuterie, neatly organized and ready to serve. The clear lid lets you see what's inside, while the sturdy handle makes it easy to take anywhere, from parties to picnics. No mess, no mixing, just perfectly arranged bites. It's a portable platter that makes entertaining effortless. Guesswork in the kitchen? Gone for good. This 3-piece adjustable measuring set lets you dial in the exact amount you need. No more hunting for the right spoon or cup. Just slide to your measurement and it clicks into place. The angled edge helps you level ingredients perfectly, making recipes a breeze. Sleek, compact, and easy to store. It's a total upgrade for your kitchen drawer. No more digging through cabinets to find that one spice hiding in the back. This rotating 3-tier rack pulls out and swivels, bringing every bottle front and center in seconds. It's perfect for storing seasonings, supplements, or even small craft supplies. Adjustable shelves mean you can fit all sorts of little bottles just right. Whether it's in the kitchen or bathroom, it makes staying organized super simple. Bring the campfire vibes indoors. No flames, no smoke, just gooey perfection. This tabletop s'mores maker turns your movie nights or date nights into something unforgettable. It comes with roasting forks and 4 trays, so everyone can build their treat just the way they like it. Plug it in, let the heater do the work, and enjoy the melty magic. Dessert just became an activity. Crumbs in the car? Dust between keys? This mini handheld vacuum is your pocket-sized problem solver. It's not just a vacuum, it's also a blower and a hand pump, giving you 3 tools in one sleek gadget. With 3 nozzle types, it dives into tight corners and tiny spaces with ease. Lightweight, cordless, and USB-C rechargeable, it's always ready to go. And the washable filters make cleanup just as easy. Dinner plans don't have to wait on frozen meat. This 4-in-1 kitchen board speeds up thawing without microwaves or water. Just place your meat on the surface and let it work its magic. While you wait, sharpen your knife, grate some garlic, or prep veggies on the built-in cutting board. Non-slip and dishwasher safe, it keeps things tidy and efficient. One board, 4 smart tools, 0 hassle. Cluttered drawers? Not anymore. This clever 3-tier organizer unfolds like a mini staircase to instantly sort your essentials. Whether it's makeup, jewelry, pens, or random bits and bobs, you've got a smart way to keep everything visible and easy to grab. It expands to fit your drawer and folds down when you need space. A simple fix for chaos that just works.